AC alternating current, DC direct current, MCB miniature circuit breaker, MCCB molded case circuit breaker, ALCB earth leakage circuit breaker, ACB air circuit breaker, OCB oil circuit breaker, VCB vacuum circuit breaker, SF6CB sulfur hexafluoride circuit breaker, HRC high upturning capacity, CT current transformer, PT potential transformer, LED light emitting diode, HT high tension, LT low tension, kV kilowatt, EMF electromagnetic force, DMM digital multimeter, DO fuse drop out fuse, HMI human machine interface, UPS uninterrupted power supply, DOL starter direct online starter, XLPE cross linked polyethylene, VSD variable speed device, IC integrated circuit, JB junction board, LDB light distribution board,